What up everyone, welcome back to GitLab tutorial series videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you very useful Git commands that I use very often. This trick is something very useful and you're gonna thank me later, to be honest. Then there are three different ways I do it, and all three different ways I'm going to be showing in this video. So in my previous video, I showed you how to modify the Git commit messages without modifying the content, meaning that whatever changes you have made part of your commit, right, you do not change the content of that particular commit but the commit message. So in today's video is gonna be opposite, meaning that I'm going to be changing the content and I don't want to change the commit message. I want to stick to the same commit message for the changes I basically make. Without a further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna be doing some copy and paste to make things a little bit easier. So here I'm gonna say, I think this is day 5. Let's run git status and I'm gonna say git add -u. So just to add the content, right? And then git commit -m, git commit tricks day 5. Let's call this. Okay, so this is the message we have for this particular change. So we are not going to push these things right now. So this is going to be unpushed. I just want to show you the stuff in the first place. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more content to it. Meaning that let's say you have written some Java or Python code, right? And you don't want to change the commit message. So what I'm going to do right now is this. So typical way what we do like this. And then we're going to say git commit -m and then whatever message you want to say. So for this particular change, I want to stick to the same message that I have. So let me show you. So this is the commit message that I have, right? So I have added the content, but I do not want to change the commit message. So there are multiple ways you can actually do that. Let's see the first option. So git commit -amen actually is going to be opening up the editor that you have basically configured. So in my case, is going to be opening up Beam. In this case, I can just say Q or X or ZZ, whatever. So I'm gonna say X, okay? So what has happened, basically, the commit message remained the same. So this time I'm gonna add a little bit more content. So this time I'm gonna say git commit to do the same thing, to be honest, amend, and then 3 back arrow, and you can say X is gonna do the same thing. So this is basically the shortcut. What I have done just a while ago using this particular command, I opened up basically Vim editor, and right there I said X. X means saving the content. In this case there was no content, to be honest, because I have not modified anything. So this is the same thing you can do. So let's do this. Git status, git add -u, git commit -amend -c head. So for now, if I just enter this, I will still be able to contain the same commit message, even though I have added more content. So the third option that you could do is basically this. So I'm gonna go a little bit shortcut, and then you're gonna say --amend. Instead of saying c head, you can say no edit. So this time if I'm doing this, it means that, hey, I don't want to actually open up an editor. I want to basically stick to the same message. So this is what the commit message, as you can see. One way is this one. This is the one I use very often. This is another one I use also very often. The other one is basically git commit -amen. So this particular one you could do a bit differently. So for example, you could also say this. So for this, I need to actually make a couple more changes. So what I have to do, -u. So let me do it like this, and then 3 more, and then Q. Actually I need to borrow it from here. My VS Code has a bug. I cannot type Q anywhere. So if I do this, it's gonna do the same thing. So meaning that it has actually added the content to my commit without modifying the commit message. So this is what I wanted to show you to you. If you like this content, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. This is how you can support me to grow my channel and to get content like this. Thank you everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.